Welcome. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to turn on vibration for miscellaneous notifications on Snapchat. If you want to make sure you never miss those subtle alerts, this update will help you stay connected and in the loop, with your phone buzzing just the way you like. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is usually the gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're there, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to open the list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find Snapchat. It might be alphabetical, so it shouldn't be too hard to spot. Once you tap on Snapchat, you'll see various options related to the app's information and settings. Look for and tap on notifications. This will show you different types of notifications that Snapchat can send you. To tailor the vibration for miscellaneous alerts, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down notifications into smaller groups for more precise control. Now find the category labeled Miscellaneous. This can include various types of Snapchat notifications that don't fit into the main categories. Tap on Miscellaneous to open the notification settings specific to this group. Here, you'll see an option to toggle vibration on or off. Simply switch on the Vibrate toggle. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate every time you receive a notification in this miscellaneous category on Snapchat. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll enhance your Snapchat experience with vibration alerts for all those miscellaneous notifications you value. It's a small change that makes a big difference, ensuring you stay aware of every Snapchat ping without relying solely on sounds or visual cues. Thanks for watching.